Imagine being 19-year-old, stumbling upon a single book that changed the entire trajectory of your life. For Warren Buffett, that book was Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor. Buffett once said it was by far the best book on investing ever written. But it wasn't just theory, it gave him 5 timeless rules that guided him from an ambitious teenager to the world's most successful investor. Today, let's uncover those 5 rules with the stories of how Buffett lived them. Rule number 1: invest with a margin of safety. When Buffett was starting out, he didn't have billions to fall back on. Every dollar's matter. He learned from the Grahams that the secret was not taking unnecessary risks, buying companies at prices so low. Even if things go wrong, you were protected. He once bought share in a falling textile company, Berkshire Hathaway, not because it was perfect, because it was so cheap that downside was limited. That margin of safety gave him the cushion to eventually transform Berkshire into the giant we know today. Rule number 2: don't let emotion control you. Buffett often recalled watching people panic during the market crashes while others ran away. He stayed calm. Graham's idea of Mr. Market stuck with him, a character who shows up every day offering to buy or sell stock at random prices. Buffett treated Mr. Market like an emotional neighbor, sometimes useful, often irrational. His discipline to stay calm while others were fearful became his greatest edge. That's why during 2008 crisis, while many investors froze, Buffett invested billions in companies like Goldman Sachs, turning chaos into opportunity. Rule number 3: think like a business owner. Buffett didn't just see stock as a paper slip. Graham taught him when you buy a stock, you are buying a business. Investment. That mindset shaped Buffett's investment for life. Take Coca-Cola, for example. In the late 18th, he didn't just buy share, he bought into a brand that people loved, trusted, and consumed daily. Today, Berkshire still earns billions in dividend. Thinking like an owner gave Buffett patience. He wasn't trading stock, he was building business. Rule number 4: focus on the long term. When Buffett was a boy, he would buy chewing gum in bulk and resell it toe to toe. Even then, he understood the value of compounding. From Graham, he learned to ignore short term noise and focus on the long hauls. Rule number 5: be rational, not speculative. In his early year, Buffett often visited racetrack and saw people lose money chasing quick wins. Graham's teaching made him vow never to treat investing like a gambling. Instead, he looked for fact, research, and logic. Even when tech stocks were booming in the late 90s, Buffett avoided them because he didn't understand them. People laughed at him then. But when the dot-com bubble burst, Buffett stood tall, providing the rational investment always beat speculation. These 5 rules: margin of safety, controlling emotional thinking like an owner, long term patience, and rational investing weren't just lessons in a book. These become Buffett's compass, guiding him for over 70 years. And here's the takeaway: you don't need millions to follow them, you just need discipline, patience, and right mindset. As Buffett himself say, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. The question is, will you be the patient one? Thank you for watching.